Hello dear friends, we are here with the first lesson of the BIM Manager package. Actually in this lesson we're going to talk about what BIM is and why it matters. So when you hear the word of BIM you might just remember some softwares like Revit or Navisworks, but the reality is BIM is not just a kind of software. BIM stands for actually building information modeling. We bring all information project information from designing structural calculations to cost scheduling and even operation phases together in a single accurate digital model. Yes? So why is that important? Let's assume that we're working on a multi-story building project. The architect is creating the plans and architectural walls, and the structural engineer is designing the beams and columns. And the MEP team is defining the routes for pipes and cables. In the traditional approach, the risk of the clashes between these disciplines is very high. For example, a pipe might pass right through a structural beam. Before BIM, these problems were usually discovered on site during construction, which meant additional time, rework, and extra costs. With BIM, all teams work on a shared model. This means that before construction even begins, all clashes and conflicts are identified. Through actually coordination and back and forth between the teams, these issues are resolved in advance. As a result, the project moves forward more accurately, faster, and at lower cost. So the next important point is that BIM is not just really useful for designing phase. When the project is done, the information of that is really important and it will be remained for facility management. And it's really important. For example, the owner can see exactly when each MEP system was installed, when it needs maintenance, or even when it should be replaced. So why is this subject really important for the engineers? Because actually in this market, companies are looking for people that they are able to work with BIM. Up to here, we understood that BIM means coordination among all of the teams and that they decrease all of the actually time and cost, and also they can actually have time and cost savings. So BIM is really important and it is changing all of the buildings industry.